Austria of San Miguel. Gentlemen, congratulations. You is now like on all. Coach Teo, an adjustment you made, you started Chris Ross for the first time in a long time, and then sabay si Bo and Zumar as well. Just talk about that adjustment and how that made an impact with the way you wanted to start the game.
Yeah. Matagal kami magkasama ni Chris Ross since our first championship. And every championship, alam ko, nag-step up siya, starting from the playoffs. And then tonight, nakita natin how important he is. Andun yung kanyang leadership, and then yung kanyang distribution bola, and then comfortable sa kanya yung mga players as a point guard. And then we're so lucky because we did not commit a lot of turnovers. I think this is 10 turnovers. We're averaging before 15, and then you can see naman the stats So it's a balanced scoring from the bench at saka itong starter namin. We scored I think 50 and 48. Well, balance to. And that's the key. Because the first group relying more on the bench because they need rest, especially Junmar. Okay, and then Mo, I'm happy for Mo, is playing well and nag-start siya after a few misses na nag-start siya sa game and everybody they're doing the role, and even Jerome Teng pagpasok niya, I think he scored in double figure 10 points ganyan, medyo very eager lang siya mag-score but we told him na Jerome, this is a team game, okay, you should know what to do because we need you in the game as long as na you're playing good defense and your hustle is there, the energy is there, so we have no problem with him.
Thank you, Coach. Don't get us shot 4 out of 13, 30.8%. But something na napatunayan sa Liga is you're not shy to shoot. Kahit anong puno pa yan ng laro. Where is this confidence coming from and how are you able to build this level of confidence?
I work out every day, working my game. So, dun nagagaling yung confidence ko kasi workout ko naman siya. And kahit mag-miss ako ng 0 out of 20, I'm still gonna shoot. Whatever happens, I'm there inside. Nagtiwala sa akin si coach. So, kaya ako let's play.
Before I turn over the press, Coach Teo, just on sa sinabi ni Don, kahit mag-vintage siya ng marami, the trust is still there for you. Ano yung nakikita mo kay Don, Coach? Even at the crucial point of the game.
Yeah, very steady siya from the start of the second quarter. I know na makikita mo naman sa body language niya Unlike in practice, makikita mo tatawa-tawa lang siya Pero tonight, makita mo seryoso siya And that's a sign of body language na he wants to win. After a loss, I think we have to bounce back and everybody realize na we have to step up dahil hindi birong malagay sa 0-2. And then now we reduce the series into best of 5. So next game is very important for us dahil for them also that is pivotal because sabi ko nga before this is just like a chess match So it's a move of adjustment
Now ready for questions from the
Thank you.
Kung siyempre, very frustrating talo ng game 1. Paano naglalasi na hindi kayo ma-reward sa nangyari sa i-motivated kayo yung tutok na yun, gusto nangyari sa game 1
Yeah, we've been in this adversity and we know what to do. And plus, the support of the management, especially Coach Al, he was there in our practice, to motivate us. And it's a big, it's a good, a good support from the management. Dahil alam nila, kaya pa rin namin manalo and pinatunayan ngayon And I told them na the chances is still there. Okay, it's a game of best of 7, so it's just a 1 loss. Before, there's a lot of championship series for us. Nauunahan talaga kami first game. So parang iniisip namin baka ito yung pattern para sa amin. And I hope sana magkatotoo ito. But talagang hindi kami pinatulog Halos lahat pagdating namin sa practice after nung game, Monday, wala kami masabi until na dumating yung management. So, wala na tayo magagawa. So, we have to fight back and then bounce back. And then, this is what happened. Makita mo naman sa body language ng mga player, they want to win.
Si Mo, kumusta yung pre-mobile niya sa iyo? Paano siya motivate o makapag-contribute dito sa panalo?
Si Mo? Sino? Again, sorry.
Si Mo, kumusta yung paano siya motivate na hindi siya makapag-contribute sa nangyari?
Yeah, hindi namin masyado pinag-usapan what happened doon sa dunk niya. And makikita mo naman tonight, nag-dunk uli siya nag-miss ganyan that's how we handle that kind of situation for player. Hindi kailangan ma-pressure dahil alam naman natin player pagka marami kang narinig, marami kang sinabi, parang maraming analysis, nagiging paralysis and we just let him play. And then, naiintindihan ni Mo. That's why, before the start of the game, pagdating niya dito sa dugout, Mo, ako pa nagtanong sa kanya, Mo, if it is okay, I will start you tonight. Sabi niya, yes, coach. Biglang nagbihis agad, nag-warm up. Kaya sabi ko, this is a sign of I know, he will bounce back. And he is a good help to our team tonight.
Ano lang masabi sa impact ni Chris Ross kanila lalo sa depensa na force na tayo?
Given na talaga yung defense niya, that's his game but yung impact niya, yung leadership niya, he knows what to do. This is the championship and kilala ko siya. Alam niya, kahit hindi siya umi-score o baliwala sa kanya as long as na inaalagaan niya yung mga teammate niya sa loob. And that's what happened. What more? Kung nakaka-score pa siya because of his still defensive skills niya, talagang marami nag-miss especially yung mga pass break na sure 2 points. Instead na maka 2 points sila, kami nakaka 2 points. That's a big help because the game is so close. And I think 1 or 2 turnovers, I think it will cause a game and I'm so happy with him dahil talagang yung worth niya, pinakita niya.
But after happening mo ano ba bigat sa iyo yung nangyari and paano naman yung boss ako gawin na hindi mo nag-isipin yung nangyari for this game?
Well, nung nangyari yun, actually, syempre galit kami kasi I think we're about to win. And syempre, yun nga, nangyari. Actually, hindi rin ako nakatulog I'm so eager to bounce back. And yeah, we bounce back.
Coach, ano lang kasi although you dominated the paint in the first half, parang struggling pa rin kayo sa offensive team. So this is something na
Yeah, you have to give credit also the defense of Tok and Tex and dahil all of our shots in the perimeter contested actually yung mga tira ni Don sa labas his own creation na yun out of our patterns but what is important is after kami to sa high percentage and yung first game namin ganun din and what we did right now medyo na-limit namin ng kaunti yung kanilang 3-point shooting last time I think 20 beyond the arc tinira nila. That's why they scored 63 points dito sa beyond the arc last time. And tonight 17 of 31. Medyo malaki pa rin pero 11 of 37. 11 of 37 talagang kalahati yun nawala And I think what we told them we should go to our high percentage shooting which is at the shaded area. And makikita mo naman dominated dito sa 2 points area, napakalaki in score namin.
That ends our